Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. I'm sure we can all relate to situations where we've been told that we can't do certain things, where you've been undermined, where you've been the underdog because people simply just don't believe in you. They feel that you can't ever accomplish that goal. They've told you you couldn't have a particular thing because of how you look. They've limited your potential. You didn't get that job you wanted because of your race. You didn't get that gig because of your size. You've been told that you won't amount to something. You've been misjudged, whatever it may have been. I'm sure we can all pinpoint situations like that, but don't let that be the reason for your downfall. Sometimes you have to prove to yourself. It's really more proving it to yourself than proving it to other people. People will always undermine you, especially if they feel like they can't get anything of you. They will undermine you. They will try and limit what you can do. They'll try and get in the way of your dreams and for your goals. They'll try and make you feel insecure about certain things, but you have to prove to yourself that you're more than that. Sometimes people may have told you that your relationship won't last, your business will fail. They would have told you that things aren't going to work out for you, but you have to really try and use that as motivation. Be motivated to prove yourself wrong, to prove them wrong, to really put your efforts and your hard work into it, so that people will be surprised and how far you've come. There's no greater accomplishment than doing things that people said that you couldn't do, than putting yourself in that, than pushing yourself and realizing that yes, you've got what it takes. No, you don't have to try and fit into status quo. You've created your own opportunities. You don't always have to rely on people to give you the opportunities. Sometimes you have to create them yourself. Sometimes you have to put yourself in a position where you're not waiting for people to give you things, or you're not waiting for people to prove your worth because they think you need to look a certain way, you need to act a certain way, you need to behave a certain way, you need to have some sort of knowledge, or you're simply not just qualified enough. Who are they to judge that you won't be able to have a successful business? Who are they to judge that? To judge your relationship right off the bat? So you have to choose yourself. You have to prove to yourself that you can do anything you put your mind to. Don't curl into a ball when people try and throw curveballs, when people try and undermine you, when people try and tell you that you don't have what it takes. Use that as motivation. Use that as drive. Use that as a way of show them that you can do it. You don't have to prove. Sometimes it's simply just about showing. Do whatever it is that it takes, and make sure that it's within your morals. Make sure that you're not putting yourself at harm. Don't do things just to prove a point. As long as it's for you, as long as this is something that you've really wanted, you have to create the opportunities and prove to yourself. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.